Hi, this is David with YourPST Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the visibility of different items. We are going to accomplish that with putting a button on our page, and we'll go ahead and name that working button. And then we'll throw in a text box, throw in a list box, and we will throw in a combo box. Oops. Let me go back up here, throw that combo box in again. There we go. So we have combo box, list box, text box. So as you can see, all of these are showing on our screen. If we click start and we show it, we will see all of them on our screen. We're going to go over to the button, and inside our events, we're going to go and make a click event. So now that we have the click event, we'll just go ahead and type in the name of our item. So list box, and then we're going to use dot visibility equals visibility hidden. And we're going to do the same thing with the rest of our items that we placed on there. And text box, list box, combo box. All right, so we'll go ahead and run it. And as you can see, that gets rid of our stuff, but now it does not come back. So let's fix that. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. We are going to make a bool hidden, and we'll make it start as false. All right, and then we're just going to go down here, create an if statement. If hidden equals false. Go ahead and take all that, paste that in there. And to change it back, you just put it to visible. And then below all that, we will go ahead and throw all right. So let's give that a shot. All right. And that is your visibility. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Check back for more content. Send me a message in the comments if you want anything specific to be made. Thank you.